We turn now to our series on America's student debt crisis. Many people age 60 and older are struggling to pay an estimated $86 billion in student loan debt. They are racking up student debt faster than any other group. Mark Strassmann has more in our Eye on America series, Life and Debt.
I'm 76, going on 77 soon. This is a mountain that I will never be able to climb. I am terrorized. The truth is, it's a terror.
We met Serafina Galante on the campus of San Diego State.
And is it fun to be back?
Yeah, I like this.
Yeah.
She got her master's degree in her late 50s here. 19 years later, she still owes almost $40,000 in student loans. More than 3 million people over 60 have student debt. Some went back to school late, others paid for kids and grandkids.
I was very confident that I would pay it back in, due time.
What's not working?
We grow older and then we get more senior. That's reality of life. How is your well-being? How are you doing?
Galante works as a family counselor. She has to work. The hole she's in keeps getting deeper. She showed us what went wrong.
So there's the payment amount, the applied to principal.
Which is zero. And look at 0.0000000. It's almost all interest.
It's almost all, right.
Raise the left hand.
Galante had to pause making payments 4 times for various life problems. But the bigger issue, she got older. She can only work part-time. Her monthly payment, $176, is income-based and doesn't even cover the interest.
It's hard for you to wrap your head around that.
I don't see the justice or even the logic. And it's not going to reduce ever. And the emotional part of it, that it's there, that it's always going to be there.
40% of Americans 65 and older with student debt are in default, according to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB. And Washington will collect by garnishing the Social Security of seniors in default.
The fastest growing segment of student loan borrowers are actually older Americans.
Sept, a student debt expert, used to work at the CFPB.
They will literally seize your Social Security benefit.
So the choice could be between paying off the student loan and eating?
Or keeping your house over your head, you name it.
And that's not overly dramatic.
It's not overly dramatic at all. Because of student loans, we are literally driving tens of thousands of older Americans into poverty.
Galante's scared of becoming one of them.
This is going to follow you forever.
This will follow me to my grave.
Serafina Galante has spent a lifetime helping others. She could use a little help herself. Mark Strassmann, CBS News, New York.
Tomorrow, in part 3 of our series, Mark looks into a federal student loan forgiveness program. Many borrowers say it makes empty promises of debt relief.